So what's all the fuss about then? Well, most of the concern has been from the power structure, from the folks who run the central banks, who run the governments, who are used to controlling your money, who are used to making their own decisions and throwing their weight around with other countries, with companies, and with individuals like you and me. So this changes the playing field. Then in fact, it helps to level it, where everyone is an equal party, where sending to you or you sending to me is the same process. And it doesn't require anybody's permission, and it doesn't need to go through anybody else's system. It just works in this Bitcoin network. And by the way, this Bitcoin network is actually not that mysterious. It's basically a bunch of computers connected on the internet, all running the same Bitcoin program. And what they do is they collaborate to make sure that all Bitcoin transactions occur safely and securely. And by the way, they get rewarded in two main ways for doing that. One, there's new Bitcoins that get created every day, and in fact, every 10 minutes. So they get a small slice of new Bitcoins that get created. And also they get a transaction fee for each of the transactions that occurs. So if I send you Bitcoin, a small little fee goes to them for helping with that transaction. But the fuss is about disrupting the huge money that's being made on Wall Street and in banking centers throughout the world, in London and in other places, in New York, of course. So they're used to making at least 3% on every credit card transaction and over 10% of the global economy today for basically moving money around. So in my opinion, that's far too high, and that needs to be brought back under 5%. And to do that, one of the ways to put that money back in your pocket is to use cryptocurrencies.